Hello everyone and welcome to our next class. Today we will be making a Teddy Bear Valentine. So grab your construction paper, your black marker, some scissors, a glue stick, colored markers, and googly eyes. Pick a color for your bear. I chose black. Then using a black marker or a pencil, draw a circle for the head. Then draw another circle for the ears. And finally, a smaller circle for the paws. Now taking your scissors, first cut out the big circle for the head. Next, cut out the circle for the ear. Use this as a template to cut another circle the exact same. Put it back down on the paper, trace it with a pencil or a black marker, and then cut it out so you have two circles for the ears. Next, we're going to cut 4 circles for the paws. So cut out your first small circle, place it back down on the paper, and with your pencil or black marker, trace around the circle 3 more times. So in total, you have 4 circles for the paws. Next, pick a color paper for your heart. I chose red. Fold it in half, then start to use a black marker and draw half of a heart. Cut this out with scissors, and when you open it up, you'll have a full heart. Now you can see the shape of our Valentine is starting to come together. Pick out a piece of paper for your nose. I chose white. Cut a small oval and place it onto the bear. Now taking your glue stick, we're going to glue each piece together. So take all the pieces apart and start to glue the ears on the head first. Now take your heart and we're going to glue it to the head. Don't forget to glue the nose onto your bear as well. This next part is optional. You can take a small piece of paper and cut out a little heart for the nose and the eyes of your bear. Now using a marker, on the nose of your bear, we are going to draw a mouth. Don't forget to stick the heart on the nose. Next, one by one, start to glue the paws onto the edges of the heart. For the eyes of your bear, you can reach into your creArt pack and grab googly eyes, or you can cut out 2 big white circles out of white paper and stick them onto your bear. Using the same method we did to create the nose, I'm cutting 2 more hearts out of red paper to stick on the eyes. Lastly, with a marker, write your message on the heart of your bear. And here is the final product.